Hi friends, Fun Harvester series is very happy to introduce before you our three beautiful books to gift on birthdays and special occasions. Not only for giving us presents, these books provide enlightenment, immense knowledge and entertainment. First of all, I am going to introduce before you the book Amazing English. It is a full-fledged and fully packed collection of almost all the curious and fun sparkling facts in the English language. The book brings forth a large array of fun facts, curious word puzzles, exciting language games, tongue twisters, idioms, riddles, anagrams, pangrams, palindromes, etc. It is in fact the first of its kind, as all such fun sparkling facts and paradoxes have found place on a single canvas. Learning English through fun and games gives you a chance to enhance your English language. Now take your English learning to the next level with this beautiful book. This is one of the best books to improve your English language. This book is perfect for any teacher who wants to entertain the students and teach English in a fun-filled environment. So have fun and improve your English with this book. This is a perfect book and a perfect present for anybody. Now we are introducing before you one of the best sellers in mystery, thriller and suspense category, The Mysteries of the Universe. The book deals with the 63 unsolved, spine-chilling mysteries. The mysterious staircase at Loreto Chapel, the ghostly and forsaken village Kuldara, the baffling legend of Loch Ness Monster, the mysteries about the Nazi dictator Hitler, the mystery of Stonehenge, the mysterious San Luis Valley, incredible animal journeys, the mysterious Pink Lake, the mystery of the green children of Woolpit, the dog suicide bridge, the impenetrable Oak Island money pit, the unexplainable 300 million year old iron screw, etc. are some among the 63 unsolved mysteries of this book. This thrilling, adventurous, and masterpiece book will give you a roller coaster ride through the mysteries of our universe, assuring you the best gift for your loved ones. If you are searching for the best adventure book for your kids, this is a perfect book of adventure and a classic thriller. I am damn sure that this marvelous adventure book will help you to start a reading habit, and definitely you will fall in love with reading. Now we are introducing before you a perfect academic book for all ages, 201 essays. Are you searching for various topics in English language for essays, speeches and other kinds of competitions? Then your journey ends here. Here you will get all kinds of topics in English language. Here we have included numerous topics in long and short forms for all classes, from kids to college students. Now say yes to debates, speeches, group discussions, seminars and essays. The book is also very helpful and essential for various writing endeavors like IELTS, PTE and TOEFL, etc. You can buy all these books from Amazon, Facebook shop or by visiting our website www.anishgeorge.com. You can also call and place your order of these books to 9961353207 or 9495353207. Thank you.